Hey guys, welcome to Initiate Scientia, where science meets you. If you're new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This is the Java series.
Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss about static variable, methods, and the blocks. So what is static in Java? Static means class level. It is shared across all objects. Static members are loaded once when the class is loaded into memory. Static members belong to the class, not to the instance of the class. And it is used for memory efficiency and global access. Next, let's see about static variables and static fields. A static variable is shared by all instances of a class. It is stored in method area, not in heap. Initialized only once when the class is loaded, cannot be accessed without creating an object of the class. So here it's showing stored in method area, not in heap. If you want to know more about memory management in Java, do check out the videos that's posted in my channel. The link is somewhere over here. Example, class counter, static int count is 0, static variable is shared. So counter, count plus plus, you're incrementing the shared count. Void display count, print count. So here, public class static variable example. Here in the void main, you see counter C1 is new counter, C2 is new counter, C3 is new counter. You're creating three different objects. Okay, I hope it's visible now. You can see that three different objects created. C3.display count, all objects share the same count, so the count would be 3. So let's see the advantages of static variables. It is shared across all instances, that is memory efficient. It can be accessed without creating an object. It is useful for constants and counters. Disadvantages of static variables is that it can cause unexpected side effects if modified, not suitable for storing object-specific data. Now let's discuss about static methods or static functions. Static methods belong to the class and not instances, can only access static members, that is, not instance variables, and cannot use this or super keywords. Example, class mathutils, static int square int num, this is a static method, it returns num times num. Public class static method example, here you have the void main. Int result is mathutils.square 5, you're passing the value, no object is needed, and you print square result. So the output that's printed is square 25. Next, advantages of static methods. It can be called without creating an object. It is useful for utility or helper methods. Efficient for operations that do not modify object state. Disadvantages of static methods. It cannot access instance variables as methods, cannot be overridden dynamically. Next, static block. A static block is executed when the class is loaded before the main method. It is used to initialize static variables. Runs only once when the class is first loaded. Example, class static block example, static int num, now it's a static block, static print, static block executed, num is 100. You're initializing a static variable here. Next, public static void main, print main method executed, value of num is num. So here you get static block executed as output, main method executed, and value of number is 100. Now let's see the advantages of static blocks. It is useful for complex static variable initialization, runs only once, it's efficient, ensures that static data is initialized before use. Disadvantages of static block. Harder to, harder to debug if multiple static blocks exist. Runs only once, so cannot be re-executed. Real world use cases are static variables is used in real case such as constants for the value of pi, max value, counters, shared data. So mainly used for shared data. Static methods, utility functions such as math.squareroot, collections.sort for utility functions, and static block JDBC connection initialization, loading configuration files, that is for one-time initialization. That's it for this video. Next is on the topic of method overloading and method overriding.
More detailed written videos are coming in the Java series. up right from the next video similar to the data structures playlist. So keep watching. Hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get instant updates of the video that we